Hey, Internet Curious Kid here. When I was younger, actually still today, I'm a perfectionist. I'm a recovering perfectionist. I'm pretty sure some of you can identify with that. So when I was younger, unless I do things perfectly, the world is gonna fall apart, right? Or shit hits the fan. Not true. Not true at all. But I used to think that. And I used to spend so much time and energy into making sure that I'm doing the best of the best of the best, right? Then I heard a song by Face to Face, one of the old school punk rock bands. I think they're still playing. But anyway, in one of their songs, they said, "Not everyone can be right, but everyone will decide." And that just hit me. I was like, wait a minute. And I'm looking around, look around the world. I'm like, that is so true. And man, that lifted so much weight off my shoulders. I still try my best, at least I do my best, but I'm not gonna, kill myself. Try to make things perfect, right? But that's what I was doing. I was stressing. Stress is not good, people. Stress is not good. So let that go. There's no such thing as perfection in this universe. I saw a video by somebody about Stephen Hawking's. There's a simulation he ran about this universe. And if things were perfect in this universe, everything would just stop moving. Everything just lined up like a grid, nothing moves, nothing changes. But then in this simulation, they started taking random pieces, atoms or whatever, particles out of this simulation of the universe. Then things start to spin around, colliding, action, movements. That's what we have today. So maybe it can be said the imperfection is what moves us forward. Because if we're perfect, there's nothing else to do. So, if in any way you're suffering from this, like things gotta be perfect, I'm not perfect, you're not supposed to be perfect. Nothing and nobody is. Just relax. You can still do your best. But not everyone can be right, but everyone will decide. And the world moves forward. Thanks, Face to Face. See you next time.